This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear brake shoes. Removal. Using the locking wheel nut adapter supplied with the vehicle where necessary, slacken each of the rear wheel nuts half a turn. Chock the front wheels. Position the jackhead under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the retaining nuts and remove the rear wheels. Fully release the handbrake. The brake drums are often difficult to remove. The easiest method is to screw in 2 M8 bolts into the threaded holes in the drum. The ends of the bolts act upon the hub flange and force the drum outwards. Try to screw the bolts in evenly, drawing the drum off squarely, otherwise it may jam. Position a suitable tray under the hub assembly, then remove the brake dust and dirt with brake cleaner and a soft brush. Remove the front shoe retaining clip by depressing it slightly and sliding it from place. Recover the retaining clip pin from the brake backplate. Remove the rear shoe retaining clip in the same manner. Don't forget to recover the pin. Note that on some models, it's not possible to remove the rearmost pin with the backplate in place. To help prevent the pistons being accidentally dislodged, retain them using elastic bands. Release the brake shoes from the lower anchor. Maneuver the shoe assembly over the hub, then compress the spring slightly and disengage the end of the handbrake cable from the lever. Remove any brake dust or dirt from the backplate using brake cleaner, then use a wire brush to clean the hub face. Note that Ford insist that the upper return spring is renewed regardless of its condition. Check the condition of the adjuster strut and lightly lubricate the threads if necessary. Assemble the brake shoes, strut and springs. Set the adjustment strut so the overall diameter of the assembly is approximately 228 mm. Remove the bolts used to draw off the drum, then measure the internal diameter of the drum. If it's more than 230 mm, both rear brake drums must be replaced. Remove any dirt or rust from the drum mounting surfaces, then clean it using brake cleaner. Remove the elastic band, pull back the rubber boots, and check the wheel cylinder for signs of leakage. If there is any brake fluid under the boots, the wheel cylinder must be replaced. Remember to refit the elastic band. Apply a thin smear of high-temperature grease to the shoe contact points on the brake backplate. Compress the spring slightly, then reconnect the handbrake cable to the lever on the rear shoe. Maneuver the shoe assembly over the wheel hub and locate the ends of the shoes behind the lower anchor. Remove the elastic band, apply a little high-temperature grease to the cylinder piston's contact points, then ease the upper end of the shoes into place. Insert the front pin and slide the retaining clip into place. Refit the rear pin and clip in the same manner. Measure the overall diameter of the shoe assembly again and adjust the length of the strut if necessary. Ease the brake drum over the shoe assembly and check that the drum rotates easily without binding. Refit the road wheel and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Raise the vehicle. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel nuts to the specified torque. Repeatedly depress the foot brake pedal and check the operation of the handbrake. Note that it may take several applications of the handbrake before the shoe adjustment is correctly set.